Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to add Bitcoin to Metamask wallet. So before we proceed, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for you to get updated for upcoming videos just like this. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. The first thing that you need to have is a Metamask wallet. But if you don't, I will show you how. So open your browser. I'm using the browser on my computer. You can use on your phone also. So in your browser, search for Metamask and then click the first link. And once you're there, you need to click the download for Chrome. So when you click download for Chrome, you will be headed to this Metamask Chrome extension. Either you're using an Edge or a Brave, you can still download this extension. And once done, it will be added to your browser. So if you already have a wallet you want to connect to your Metamask, just click this import existing wallet. But since I don't have, and we will create a new wallet. So click create a new wallet and then just set up your password, your secure wallet password. And once you're done with that, confirming your password, you will be headed to your Metamask account. So this is your Metamask account. And in here, when you need to add a Bitcoin, you can just click buy and connect Metamask wallet. Connect Metamask, and then when there's an account, just click connect, and then it is now connected. So you can now buy your Bitcoins and add it to your Metamask wallet. And when you need to swap it, just click swap and just find the cryptocurrency you want to swap it to, and that's it. That's how you can add Bitcoin to your Metamask wallet. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you like our video and see you on the next one.